everyone. Here are 5 things to know about the changes to real estate agent laws in Ontario. The long-awaited changes to the real estate agent and brokerage community in Ontario have just had their initial release, mostly to positive reviews from the industry. The draft bill to change the Real Estate and Business Brokers Act 2002, which has not yet been approved and which contemplates further changes, is located in the link below this newsletter. The new act will be called the Trust in Real Estate Services Act 2002. Here are the main points you need to know right now. Number 1, real estate agents will be able to incorporate. The real estate industry has been requesting this for years so that real estate professionals could enjoy the same tax advantages of other professional groups, such as doctors, lawyers, and accountants. Incorporation should also provide extra protection from liability. Incorporation is not for everyone, and once the rules are clarified, agents must discuss this with their own accountants to make sure that this is right for them. Still, great news. Number 2, no more customers. You are either a client or you are self-represented. There has been a lot of confusion over the years in trying to explain to a member of the public as to whether they should become a client or a customer of a real estate brokerage, and the differences between the two. While there currently is a duty to be fair and honest to customers, there is also an extra level of care owed to clients. For example, an agent can give advice to a client, but not to a customer. This is easier said than done. Under the proposed new rules, you are either a client of the brokerage or you represent yourself. This makes it much simpler. And remember the old adage, when you represent yourself, you have a fool for a client. It applies in just about everything you do. Number 3, multiple representation will still be permitted. This is also great news for the industry. Real estate brokerages will still be able to represent both the buyer and the seller in the same deal. It is not clear whether the same agent will be permitted to act for both the buyer and the seller. This will also have to be reviewed more carefully when further clarification is provided. Number 4, sellers may be able to disclose the highest price to a competing buyer. It appears that in a bidding war, a seller may obtain the option to disclose to one of the other buyers the price that one of the buyers was willing to pay. This is currently not permitted today. Again, the actual language in the final bill will have to be reviewed to determine the circumstances when this may occur. Number 5, penalties are increasing if you break the rules. It is proposed that fines for real estate agents and brokerages be increased to $50,000 for any agent to $100,000 for the brokerage if you violate the rules, including the REBA 2002 Code of Ethics. This is just part of the new protections to give the public more assurance that real estate agents and brokerages are held to a higher professional standard. If you have any questions about the new legislation, would like to schedule a seminar at your brokerage about updates in the law, or would like information on our mobile closing services where we come to the clients to sign all the paperwork, please do not hesitate to contact me at mark@realestatelawyer.ca or toll free at 1-888-876-5529. Thank you.